Fuck you looking at? Huh? Fucking bitch. Anyway. You currently catch me at a random fucking Tesco I found. Because I needed to pull over. Because it was getting a bit cold and I changed to my thicker neck tube. So, what are we doing today? Well, as you could probably read by the title, unless you're illiterate. In which case... How do you know what video this is? So, as you can see from my jacket, you probably haven't seen this one too much, but that's because it's only just, fuck's sake, it's only just gotten out of the closet. This is the RST Rider CE Jacket, and this is that review. Roll that intro, motherfucker. Right, so before we get to the opinion pieces, in this episode we're going to be trying something different. So I'm going to refer you over to Future Fucko, who is going to give you the spec rundown. So Future Fucko, please take it away. Thank you, pal Stan, for that introduction. You're a prick. Anyway, right, let's quickly run through spec. RST Rider CE Jacket. This outer is a Lextek outer lining. It has CE level 1 rated armour in the elbows and shoulders, which looks like this. Look, it's perfectly sized as a helmet for the dog. You're so sweet. So it's got 2 hand warmer pockets here, bicep adjusters, elasticated ones as well. It has a quite nice solid zipper. It's not YKK, unfortunately. Real nice, I think it's neoprene-ish collar with a little gaiter on it, and then some wrist straps with nice RST rubberized branding, and then you've got weight straps here. On the back, there's not much. You can see the elbow armour in there, and then it's just the RST logo on the back, and then the white stripe. There's the pocket for the back protector. It doesn't come with one, so I fitted my own from an old jacket. There's the coat hook, and there, as you can see, it's the Sinaqua waterproof thermal liner. There's the zipper for RST trousers. That I'm going to talk to you about in a minute. And then, in case you're wondering, this is an EU46. I'm typically a large, so that's between 42 and 44 inch chest, and I sized up. And as you can see there is CE level A, and that's Max. Hi Max. And those are the specs. And fuck you, past Dan, you're a prick. Wow, I mean wow, look at all those specs. And yeah, fuck you too, Future Fucker. So now that you've got those specs, what are my opinions on it? RST is trying to advertise this as like a good first jacket, you know, maybe a commuter's jacket. Let me tell you this, do not fucking commute in it. Like, if it's your only jacket, don't commute in it. Unless you're one of those weird people that takes the car in the summer and takes the bike in the winter. Other than that, I wouldn't really advise to buy this jacket for a single jacket. If you're like me and you have quite a few jackets, because, you know, you like to have a bit of variety and a bit of versatility, then yeah, sure. Okay, so let's cover a couple of things. This is a weird jacket. So, what am I talking about? Oh, what I mean by that is this is a really quirky jacket. And not as in, like, you know, the typical Tumblr girl with one nose piercing that makes herself think that she's cool, ordering her 20th pumpkin spice latte of the day. So what I'm going to use as an example is the connection zipper, for example. So there's only one connection zipper, which is the RST 360 one. Really? Just one zipper? You don't even get the other side for it. All you get is just the one side zipper that's connected to the jacket. And considering this is supposed to be a commuting jacket, a lot of people are just going to be wearing riding jeans or riding chinos, or just even regular jeans and chinos and shit. Why not put a belt loop on? It's literally a male and female button and a piece of fabric. It probably costs like 12-13 pence and require two lines of stitching. Admittedly, yes, this is quite a cheap jacket. I think it's like 70 quid or something, but still, in that 70 quid you have more than enough in your production budget to put belt loops. Like, considering that I don't really wear textile trousers that much, and I think most people who wear this jacket aren't going to be wearing textile trousers. I think they're mostly going to be wearing riding jeans. It says on Sports Bike Shop on some specific colorways, which I don't understand, like not this white one, but like the red and blue, I think, red and blue colorways, it says that this liner is removable when it's very clearly not. And this is a very stuffy jacket. This can be an incredibly stuffy jacket. Really, if you're wearing this over about 17-18 degrees, if that, probably even about 14 or 13, you're gonna be fucking roasting. Also, the outer fabric isn't even treated to be waterproof with like a waterproof spray or something. The waterproofing is the liner, the Sinatra liner on the inside, which they say is breathable, which it's very clearly not. They claim it's like 100% waterproof. This jacket certainly isn't 100% waterproof. That liner might be 100% waterproof, but the jacket certainly isn't. It's got a drop tail on it, and that will get wet. Your ass will get fucking wet. These cuffs will get wet, and you'll probably get water going down your arms and then getting stuck because the liner's waterproof. Oh yeah, this is a hilarious one. The armouring. Now, okay, the armour is just CE level 1. Yeah, sure, that's CE approved, but you don't get a back protector, which is a bit shit considering that I thought that with CE approval we now had to have a back protector, but hey, I guess not. Speaking of which, this jacket is CE approved, which is alright. It's not a B, but it's not at least a double A. It's really weird how they've done the armour in this. So, okay, let's go to an overlay of Future Down for a second. So, as you can see, there is obviously the pocket for the back protector on the liner. But how do you access the elbow and shoulder armour? I'll give you a couple seconds to guess. If you guess that the armour is hard baked in, no. If the armour was hard baked in, I wouldn't mind that much, but it's not. Look down at the bottom of your screen for a second. What do you see? What do you see on the jacket? You see that red zipper? Quick note, it's not red. It's black. I thought it was red. You think, oh, that's like a map pocket or something, or just like a waterproof liner pocket for your trousers. No, it's not. That is how you get to the fucking elbow and shoulder armour. Surely you could have just sewed the liner tighter to the fucking outer shell and then put the armour pockets on the liner like you have with the back armour. The armour, even though it is CE1, it's very, very soft. You do forget that it's there most of the time. So I'm currently wearing a size XL. I'm typically in a t-shirt a size large, and in jackets I usually pick up an XL, just because I almost always wear a hoodie underneath my jacket, with the exception of my Merlin hoodie. This jacket doesn't look too bad sizing wise, but it is a short jacket, so if you're wearing, you know, something like a collared shirt or something, it may get wet if you don't tuck it in properly. The liner does a decent job of keeping you warm if you're just wearing a t-shirt. I'd probably say between 12 and sort of 9ish degrees is where it's absolutely fucking perfect. Final complaint I'm going to pose about this is the fact that when it's supposed to be a commuting jacket slash a first jacket, there's no venting on it, which is so annoying. Like, even with the liner not being removable, you still could have put vents in to just cool down a little bit. That's the RST Rider Jacket. If you have any questions, comment down below. More than happy to answer them. You can even call me a cunt and I'll still answer your question. Peace out, nerds. Have a good rest of your day, rest of your evening, rest of your night. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like. Subscribe if you haven't already. And go fuck yourself. I'm kidding, love you.